Hi, this is Joy, your assistive technology professional, and I just wanted to take a moment to show you guys one option for getting wheelchairs in and out of a vehicle. This works for trucks and vans and SUVs. Sometimes you do have to position the chair differently. You can see I've taken the headrest off, and this chair does have the tilt feature, so I have done that. And also you can recline the back if that's a feature that your chair has to make it lower depending on the height of what you're going into. But in this situation, I just have a portable ramp. The height of my van is 24 inches and I use a 6-foot ramp. And so it comes apart and it folds. It's also very useful because if I'm going to somebody's house and they have a couple steps, I can use the chair or use the ramp to get it out of the van, and then I can also use the ramp to get it into somebody's home. And so I can just then drive it up as long as I get it positioned correctly. There we go. It can just come right up the ramp. Like that. And once it is in the vehicle, you will of course want to strap it down. So make sure you're holding onto the frame, or if you have the transit loops, you can use a ratchet strap to hook to that to keep it safe. You don't want it slamming forward when you put the brakes on. So that is just some information. You can get these ramps in a lot of places, spinlife.com, even Amazon, sometimes Harbor Freight. So it's just one way to do it. Again, my height is 24 inches and I use a 6-foot ramp. And so if yours is higher than that, you might need a slightly bigger ramp. Thanks.